Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to clear recycle bin in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to device care. After that go to storage and then go to recycle bin. Now from here you can clear your recycle bin. From here you can clear recycle bin of my files, gallery, messages, contacts and voice recorder. If you want to clear recycle bin of gallery, just open gallery, then tap on three dots, then tap on empty, then tap on delete, and it's deleted successfully. Now just go back, then open messages. If you want to delete message one by one, just touch and hold it and then select it, then tap on delete, then tap on delete again. Also, if you want to delete all the messages at the same time, just tap on three dots, then tap on empty, then tap on empty recycle bin, and it's done. Now just go back, then tap on voice recorder, then tap on three dots, then tap on empty, then tap on delete, and it's done. And that way you can clear your all the recycle bin. And that is how you can clear recycle bin in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.